2019 Suzuki Vitara Turbo, 2019 Suzuki Vitara release date, Suzuki Vitara 2019 facelift, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Suzuki brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Suzuki Vitara Turbo, 2019 Suzuki Vitara release date, Suzuki Vitara 2019 facelift, new cars by. We will be discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Suzuki Vitara Turbo, 2019 Suzuki Vitara release date, Suzuki Vitara 2019 facelift, new cars by. The Suzuki's popular crossover SUV has been spotted during its testing on the roads in Sweden. And it is the newest 2019 Suzuki Vitara. The current generation of this model has been presented back in 2015, so now is the time for a mid-cycle revamp. The SUV market is constantly changing and growing, and the Japanese manufacturer is aware of the fact that it needs to improve its models in order to keep them competitive and fresh. Although the upcoming Vitara has been camouflaged and at first glance, it is not that easy to spot all the changes which it is going to bring. Based on the place of the cover, it is obvious that most upgrades are expected on the front fascia. However, it doesn't mean that the rear end will stay unchanged, and there we will most likely see revised bumper and tail lights. As for the interior, we can expect some minor changes, and those will probably include some revisions in the tech department. On the other hand, there isn't any information about the engine. But we are almost certain that it will carry over the same engines as before. However, some sources claim that the new Suzuki should get the same engine which powers the Swift model. 2019 Suzuki Vitara types of engines. The current model is powered by two types of engines. And we assume that the 2019 Suzuki Vitara should get the same options. There are one diesel and two petrol options. So, the one is a 1.6-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine which is able to develop 118 horses. The second is a 1.4-liter turbo petrol unit which has the output of 138 horsepower. The third option is a 1.6-liter turbo diesel unit. This one is capable of making 118 ponies and the torque of 236 pound-feet. However, according to some news, the new Suzuki could also get a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder turbo engine instead of a 1.6-liter petrol unit. This engine has the output of 110 HP and 115 pound-feet of torque. And it is also used in Swift model. Design of exterior and interior. The 2019 Suzuki Vitara has been caught in the winter testing under the camouflage. However, it is not hard to notice that we can expect revisions on both front and rear fascias. So on the front, there should be a revised grille, slightly restyled headlamps and new design of the bumper. As well, we could also notice a radar sensor placed on the center of the lower intake. This means that the upcoming Vitara will now feature the new technology which will include autonomous emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. Moving to the rear end, it will probably feature redesigned bumper and new design of the tail lights also. The interior of the 2019 Suzuki Vitara should also be slightly upgraded, and most of the changes will probably consider technology. 2019 Suzuki Vitara expected date of arrival and price. The latest 2019 Suzuki Vitara will be presented by the public in 2018. The starting price of the base model will most likely be $21,500. Thanks.